we have set aside a budget of 1 trillion Kenya shillings to finance agriculture across several priority value chains over the next 5 years, both in crops and in livestock, to ensure that we can create over 2 million jobs for our citizens, for our women, and for our youth.
Kenya is one of the first countries to actually have a country instrument to respond to CAADP at continental level. So that's a good outcome. We expect the private sector, the Kenya's Bankers Association with partners, to launch a working group to tackle issues on agricultural finance and connect better with government, especially to make sure that the policy and regulatory environment for food systems financing is functional.